Wow, more than 15% of all e-commerce purchases are now attributed to affiliate marketing. That puts it on par with email marketing and ahead of social commerce and display ads. You've come to learn how to make more money with your affiliate marketing. So, let's get started with affiliate marketing advice. Here are 5 tips to earn more in an affiliate marketing program. 1. Choose affiliate programs wisely. Not all affiliate programs are made equal, and not all affiliate programs are appropriate for your consumer base. Aside from those criteria, there are a few more things to think about. Choosing quality over money. Consider promoting digital products. Consider promoting products that renew monthly. Choose vendors that will negotiate. Choose vendors with a good landing page. Look for programs with lifetime payouts. 2. Understand your audience. According to studies, consumers dislike terrible ads. Irrelevance is one of the characteristics of a lousy advertisement. Your consumers aren't looking for this of material. It will confuse them, irritate them, lead them to believe you've run out of content, worst of all, lead them to believe you're attempting to offer something inferior to make a fast cash. Affiliate marketing success requires just recommending things that meet your audience's urgent requirements and desires. The more relevant the product or service, the more likely they are to purchase. Also, educating people on relevant items or services might be regarded value-added information rather as strange or unexpected advertising. 3. Be trustworthy. Some people utilize affiliate marketing just for profit, rather than for the good of their clients. Some would even deceive their audience with spammy, deceptive affiliate adverts and promotions, or they will try to conceal the fact that it is an affiliate link. If your audience is interested in the product or service you're marketing, they won't mind the content. However, if they believe you're attempting to scam them or take advantage of their readership by bombarding them with unrelated adverts, they're likely to quit and never return. 4. Create great content. Content is king, as they say, and it's true. People come to your site because of the content, and then they see your affiliate adverts. When it comes to content, there are a few factors to keep in mind. Create timeless content that will always be valuable. Create new content on topics that are trending. Create content around your affiliate products or services, but only if it's relevant and may be entertaining and informative. 5. Share the content everywhere. When you begin creating content, it is critical to consider SEO and how you can make your commerce content rank high in search engine results. When you begin creating highly specific content, you can utilize very specific keywords, which is exactly what search engines seek for when determining how prominently to rank material in search results. Theme articles should revolve on these specific phrases, and you should notice an increase in organic traffic when your most popular posts are indexed and people discover them. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.